Hello guys, I hope you all are well. Welcome to my YouTube channel Learn ServiceNow Platform. This side Prakhar Chobe. Today I will cover the virtual agent topic in ServiceNow. How we can build the complete virtual agent that I will try to explain one by one. I will try to cover the each agenda of this topic. This is the agenda list that I will try to cover in my video. First, virtual agent. What is virtual agent? How we can build the virtual agent? How many plugins that we really needed to complete this virtual agent? Conversational interface guided setup. Modules. How many modules we have once we will install this plugins part? What is user input, board response and utilities, and how we can use this part, user input, board response and utilities. How we can build the live agent and how we can enable this part. I will also help you to make some the real live example of the chatbot. And the last one, NLU, natural language understanding. What is virtual agent? ServiceNow VA to build and design a bot conversation to help user quickly obtain information, make decision and perform a common work task. Chatbot that help user interact with ServiceNow through a conversational interface instead of manual opening a ticket or navigating a form. Means suppose I am a user, I do not need to create an incident via service portal, or I do not need to jump on the incident module, because under this VA incident creation topic block is already there. So with the help of that we can build it, okay? Or if the topic block is not available for the incident creation, that we can also build the item or the flow from the scratch. This is the power of the VA, that we do not need to jump or navigate on any other module or the table. With the help of the VA of the single frame, we can do whatever I want. And this is the user input and the board response and utilities. Okay, this three picture is really needed, it's really needed to build this complete VA topic. Okay, and I will try to cover the each topic and each point one by one in my current video or in my upcoming video. I am promising you that your skills will be enhanced day by day. You do not need to pay any single amount to anyone, because I am here and we are here to define and build the good topic related to the service now, so you guys can enhance your skills without paying any cost. This is the plugins part. How many plugins and what plugins is really needed to build this plugins, to build this VA? So first one is Glide Virtual Agent, second one Agent Chat, third one Virtual Agent Conversational. Okay, so this all these three plugins, it's really needed to build the complete agent. Okay, means virtual agent. So how we can do this? Okay, so I will show you each topic on my personal PDI, and the next is after activating a plugins, how many modules that we can see. So this is the module part. Under the module, after the installing the plugins part, this is the all modules that you can view this in your personal instance. Okay, and how we can configure this part from the scratch, let's jump on my personal PDI. So I will try to explain you in a very simple way that how we can build this entire VA. Let's jump on the personal PDI. This is my personal PDI instance. Okay, just type the plugin, open this module of the plugins, and in this you just need to type the virtual agent. If you can scroll down, you will get the complete picture of this virtual agent. And we have the plugins. Let me show you one thing. Click on the more. Let's put this guide virtual agent. It's loaded now, and if you can see, we have the Glide virtual agent. First of all, you need to install this plugin part. Glide Virtual Agent. Under this first you need to configure this plugins item, because this one is already I configured, so it's showing just as a repair, not as install or activated something. And once you build this item, once you install this part, then just you need to type the conversational. Under this you can see we have the complete modules. Okay, home, setting. Okay, under the setting, if you want to define the home page or the banner of the chatbot, that you can also build. Channel and integration, if you want to integrate this chatbot with Slack or the MS team, that you can also build that part. Designer, under the virtual agent we have the designer. Okay, so with the help of designer you can design or build this a topic and topic blocks and so many things. And then we have the categories: small talk definition, custom control definition, live agent connection. Under the message we have the action and the conversational interface guide up setup. Click this part. If you can just click here, then you can see the complete setup of the VA. And if you can open this, then you just need to click on the configure, and you can customize your setup as well. If you need it, then you can define whatever you want. Okay, so this part we already configure it. Okay, so if you need to define the workspace agent chat option, if you would like to set up this part, then you can also check this part and click on the quick setup. Click to continue. It will start to installing that whatever they needed for this complete setup. This plugin and store application, this is really important item that we need to understand this. Okay, under this we have the proper plugins part. Okay, and the application part, that we need to build it before configuring the any item or building the any item. Okay, so first we have the virtual agent that we already built or activated. If I can just click here, then it will show as a active, because this plugins I already configured or activated in my personal PDI. Suppose if this plugins is not activated, then it will show as a inactive or something false. Okay, but this one is already activated, so that's the reason it's showing the status as active. Okay, and here you have the option related link that you can click on the activate and repair if you want to activate any plugins from this configuration picture. Okay, and this is a topic recommendation that you can also configure and build this part. This is application that you need to install from the store. Okay, and third one is the ITSM Virtual Agent Conversation. Okay, in this you also need to install from the store. And fourth one is a universal request, that is a virtual agent conversation. Okay, under this you will get the some pre-built virtual agent conversation topic. Okay, that you can configure it with the help of this configuration button. And last one is the agent chat. You can also directly configure the agent chat from this. Okay, you can build this plugins as well. Okay, this plugins we already configured or activated, so it's showing as active. Otherwise we need to click to activate and repair. Okay, then all the plugins, means whatever the item is available related to this plugins, that will start installing after the clicking on the activate and repair part. So this is what that features is available, that we can easily configure the VA one by one for the each item. Okay, then we have means key, this is we have this client configuration. Okay, and if you want to activate this chatbot virtual agent on the service portal or on the this one employment centers portal, that you can also build and enable it. Okay, if you just click here, it will show you and it will jump on the different page. Here you can see that if you want to enable or activate this virtual agent icon, or someone can also utilize this virtual agent interface or the icon via the means key. Suppose I am a user. Okay, and I need to see this part. Okay, that how we can access this virtual agent. Okay, so just I need to jump on the service portal. Okay, once I click on the service portal, suppose let me show you one thing. If I just type the SP, now you can see we have the agent chatbot icon as activated. Okay, this one is already activated. and now you can see this icon that this one is already enable it here. Okay, suppose let me stop this or deactivate this. Click to save. Let's reload this part. It's gone. Okay, it's automatically removed because we already disable this item. Okay, so if you want to enable this part, means this live agent chat should be available on the service portal, so user can utilize this chat agent via the service portal. So you need to activate this configuration as a publicly. Okay, in the same way we can also define this part for the employee center. If you can see, we have the employee center. Okay, and in the same way you can define this virtual agent item as topic, and the other apartments get topic blocks. Okay, topics and topic blocks, this all we can configure it directly with the help of the modules. Okay, so I will show you one by one in the upcoming part. Okay, and this is the advanced work assignment. In this you can also define the service channel queues or the assignment roles. Okay, and last one is a workspace agent chat, that how we can build the live agent, that I will show you this. So first of all, let me show you one quick conversational interface. Under this we have the proper setting. Okay, under the setting want to define or the update the branding, then you just click to view all on the branding, and if you can see coral light. Okay, this is what currently we have, and this is also the EC branding. This is for employee center branding, and this is the polarized light and the polarized dark default branding. Okay, so currently we have the default branding. Okay, so you need to click on the default branding. If you can see, you can design or you can color, you can change the color, you can change the icon of the service portal, or sorry, on the of this virtual agent with the help of this default branding part. Okay, and if you can see, you can change the now you can see the header is now support. Okay, you can update the chat header. Okay, if you want to define some delay minimum time, then you can also update it, and contact support. And if you want to define any item, suppose this is item, let me show you one thing. Click here. Okay, and I want to define some the color. Okay, now you can see this is changed because just you need to click on this and you can change this header item. Okay, this is a chat header background, and suppose I need to update this part, chat background. Okay, just click here, this chat background is updated, and whatever you want to update the color of this particular default branding of the chatbot, then you can design it and you can update it. This is the message part. If you can see, this is a message item. Okay, and here we have some other option is also available. So this is what that you can build it. Okay, you can design, you can change the color of that any item. Now if you can see, this is a board profile. Okay, this is what that currently I configure it. Okay, so if you want, you can also change the board profile from this board profile item. Okay, you just need to delete this image first. Okay, and then you can upload it the new one. Okay, if I can delete it, you can see we have the attachment option. Okay, now you can see this image is removed from this from this VA. Okay, so if you want, then you can also again just attach it and you can save this part. Okay, let me show you this chatbot. Click to OK. It's loaded. Now it's loaded but in a different way. Okay, in a different image. Let me refresh this part, this item before saving this. Okay, so this is what that you can define the branding based on the customer requirement. If you want, you can build it simple. And now let me put some different this is what that I like this. Okay, and now click to save. It's saved. Okay, now if I can jump on my service portal page, and just I need to click this part, and now you can see this magic. This is what the everything is changed. So this is the way that you can build your color part and you can build your branding. And if you can see, we have the icon, okay, send to email customer. Let's jump it here. Okay, now you can see we have a chat icons, call customer daily 5 a.m. to 11, send email to the customer. This is the icon. Okay, if you want, you can also change this part from this branding. Okay, send to email customer. This is the it's look like the email box. Okay, this is the icon that contact live agent. Okay, call support daily. This is what that if you want, you can create the new and you can update it as well. Okay, now you can see if you want, you can change the same email to customer support. Okay, if you want, you can change this label name, or you can, if you want, you can update that email type. Okay, but just let me show highlighted the one thing for a chat. One chat type is available at a time. Okay, it means that you cannot configure the multiple chat type on a single VA for a single VA. Okay, you can create an email type multiple for the one VA, but you cannot create a chat type. Okay, so this is the branding part. Okay, so next time I will try to cover some more topic according to my agenda. I hope you all like it and learn from it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. This will really boost me to upload the more video. Bye bye. Thank you. Take care.